Really?
I see them. I see them from here.
Who's it from?
Who's it from?
Mm-mm.
Right? Isn't Grandpa Ron sending you something?
Yeah.
This is from Grandpa Ron. Oops, hold on. Wow!
What is it, Ryder?
Wow!
Nice. What do you say?
Thank you.
Video or camera?
Huh?
What is that?
Who's that?
Darth Vader.
Darth Vader. Who's that?
Darth Vader. I already have her.
You have a different one though. She's in a different outfit. Wow. What else?
Oh my goodness.
You.
Oh my goodness. Whoa, you've got a lot. I don't know if our video is going to be able to last that long.
Okay, let's.
Can you say thank you, Grandpa Ron?